Hi, I'm Daniel. Thank you for visiting our video. Are you having difficulty understanding how to value and market your property? Not quite confident you understand how to value and market your property or space for sale or rent? Check out the following video.
Consultation of direct principal-to-principal off-market transactions in commercial real estate of all asset types all over the United States and international deals as well. He's the go-to guy for all different types of owners-sellers looking for effective and fast disposition of assets and for parties looking to acquire every asset type and location. He delivers extraordinary value and maintains the highest standard of excellence in execution of unlisted, privately offered, true off-market direct real estate opportunities through excellent relationships. Always available and conducting business because he loves what he does. Available at 239-293-329.
So, since you have learned more about us, click on the link in the description to see how you can contact us.